Hello, this is Jerome Australia, and today we are in Panglao, Bohol. And as of now, I have something that we bought. So, come on, let's check it out. So, basically, kanina dumating kami sa Tagbilaran. So, after we went to museums at saka church doon, we decided to buy pasalubong already. Kasi if you are really talaga a tourist, might as well bumili ka talaga sa grocery. So this one only costs around 200 something. But here in Panglao, this costs I think 500. It's too expensive, di ba? It's a great deal na to. Sa grocery pa namin to binili. There you go. And then, yung kasama ko, si Drew, mas gusto niya yung may gantong packaging. Peanut pieces. This is around 300 plus, di ba? So, meron siyang isang piece na 20 grams, meron dalawang 100 grams, saka 6 piece 20 grams. Maganda tong gawin pa sa lubong. Pero ito naman, ibibigay ko to sa mga ka-opisina ko. 100 plus lang ata to. Nakalimutan ko na kung magkano. This one is kalamay. Galing siya Albuquerque, Bohol. So, may expire to February 18, 2025. Kaninang bumibili kami ng shirt, sinabi, bawal daw sa airport to. We're going to clarify and verify if this is bawal sa airport. Maganda yung niya, oh. Akala ko sticker, kinukutkot ko, hindi pala. Maganda. Next is, this one is a exotic chicha worm. A chicha worm, di ba? This is from Baclayon, Bohol. Crazy, right? It's quite expensive, but let's say na it's a treat to eat something exotic. By the way, I'm gonna check where is this peanut pieces came from. So, this is this one is Tagbilaran. Tagbilaran talaga siya. This is from Baclayon. Ito naman is galing Albuquerque. Iba-ibang lugar, di ba? And then, here sa Panglao, ang bango eh. I can't help it. Amoy mangga talaga siya. So, I decided to buy one, pasalubong ko sa CR namin. Ito yung sasabit ko. Eh, hindi naman daw siya magme-melt as long as we're not going to remove the plastic. Yun, di ba? Tatanggalin ko na yung ko doon, yung boots. Nalalagyan ng halaman. Let's put it there. So, we went also sa Island Souvenir. I like this one eh. I love Bohol. It's a can opener, the same time ref magnet. Supposedly rubberized yung bibilin ko, kaya lang madungis yung tarsier. Tarsier nga ba yun? I forgot if that's a tarsier, but I don't like. Ito na lang. I love Bohol. Diba? So, here are some of the shirts na binili namin. What I'm wearing is real cute. Kasi nagkakaubusan na kami ng damit. This is Island Souvenir, which kapag gusto ko talaga ng bumili ng shirt from Island Souvenir, sana talaga. So, this is the design. Ganyan lang siya. And then, the second one I bought is, there you go, Chocolate Hills. So cute, right? The design. Then, meron din glow in the dark. Mamaya, we're going to turn it off yung lights for the glow in the dark. Diba? May ulo ng tarsier. And at the back, si tarsier. Nakasabit sa tangkay. So cute. And then, nagbibilang-bilang kasi ako ng damit kanina. Kulang na ako ng isa. So, ito yung binili ko. Ang sabi, glow in the dark. Sinubukan ko kanina, walang ka-glow-glow. Pero okay na lang din. By the way, this is a good shirt na. It's a good deal. Because this is only 180 pesos. Not bad, right? Samantalang yung mga island souvenir is 300 per shirt. And then, yung isa is almost 500 ata. And this one. Pumunta kami kanina sa Bohol National Museum. And may ginagawa sila na tul-tul. This is, ano talaga sa Bohol? Let's say, craftsmanship ng Bohol and ingenuity nila. So, basically, saan ba galing to? Part of na legacy nila. Ancestral legacy since 17th century. Asintibuok of Bohol. Artisanal siso. Yan siya. Sana inilagay nila kung saan galing, di ba? Kasi nakalagay Bohol, Philippines lang. Napaka-crazy talaga nito. Tingnan mo, may mga ganto-ganto. And then, this is a con. Naka-cover talaga siya, parang palayok. Tapos, kapag maluluto na siya, I think nagka-crack siya. And they have to, tanggalin yung con. Actually, pwede mo siyang magamit. Pero, kasi before, according sa kanila, bumaba ang production nito kasi the government of the Philippines required ang mga asin ay kailangan iodized. This is not iodized kasi purely let's say sa dagat, wala na siyang halo. Pero something Bohol, it kinda mahal, pero I think it's worthy. Diba? So, right now, I'm going to put it here. And, i-check na natin yung ito. If talagang glow in the dark siya, ha? Papatayin ko yung lights. And then, ibabaliktad natin. Let's wait for that. Ayun, kita nyo ba? It is really nice, di ba? Kitang-kita si tarsier. And then, sa front. Ayan ang cute, oh. Ay, tanggalin natin yung
Hindi nakita.
Hindi nakikita?
Hindi visible.
So sad. Pero, makikita namin siya. So, goodbye. Until next time.